Hello guys, I'm back with a new video. Today we will install a superkilometer filter on a Subaru WRX. At the very beginning, we will provide you with information about the product. What you will get if you purchase it, what you will need for DIY installation, and we will also talk about the blocker's operating modes. Now we will show you the blocker itself. We have a harness cable, a long version, a module, and a blind plug. A blocker with a long cable is very convenient because, for example, if you have to go to a service center, you can easily deactivate the blocker and turn it into a regular cable by removing the module and connecting the blind plug. Most importantly, you can do all this without having to disassemble the dashboard and speedometer again. Let's start the installation. Most superkilometer filter blockers are installed on the speedometer, in the main cable plug. In order to remove the speedometer and get to the main cable, you need to remove the dashboard details. To remove the covers, you can use the plastic removal tools mentioned above, but in our case, we can remove all the details by hand, because they are attached with clips and are easy to remove. Then, we remove these two screws with a screwdriver. Then, this cover and the two screws below it. After the screen panel is removed, we can remove these three remaining screws. After removing them, we can remove the speedometer. This is the main cable of the speedometer. We need to connect our blocker to it as follows. Connect the pin plug of the device cable to the main cable of the speedometer, and connect the second plug of the blocker to the speedometer. The installation is complete. Let's return the speedometer to its place and proceed to activation. We can activate it either manually, by pulling the high beam lever 4 times, or using the SKF V2 application, which you can download to your smartphone. The reason for the error messages on the speedometer is not the installation of the odometer blocker. This particular car has a different problem, and that is the reason. The device has 3 operating modes. Mode 1. The kilometers are stopped at 100%. When the module is activated, the message "Driver's door open" will appear briefly. Mode 2. The kilometers are stopped at 50%. When the module is activated, the message "Driver's door open" will appear 2 times briefly. And Mode 3. The kilometers are counted at 100%. When the module is deactivated, the message "Driver's door open" will appear 3 times briefly. That's all, guys. For more information, visit the website superkilometerfilter.com. Good luck!